How to log into your Koodo account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to teach you guys on login into your Koodo account. So let's get started. For that, you have to first open your favorite web browser and type in Koodo login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites from where you need to head over to the initial one that is indicating login Koodo mobile. As soon as you click on it, you will be directed to the login portal. You need to first select either you're a monthly customer or the prepaid customer. So as I am a monthly customer, I'm going to select this option over here. Now enter the correct form of your email address in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. And in the case if you have forgotten your email address or the password, you can go ahead and click on the forgot link in order to successfully retrieve or reset your credentials. And if you haven't registered for Koodo account yet, you can go ahead and click on the register now link in order to successfully become a member of Koodo. Now after entering the correct form of your credentials in the first and the second field, click on the login button that is highlighted in green color, and this way you will be able to log into your Koodo account successfully. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.